Here's a quick check to kick us off. Which type of research focuses on understanding how memory works in general, rather than solving a specific problem? Applied research, basic research, experimental research, or correlational research? Lock your answer. Revealing in 3, 2, 1. The answer is B, basic research. It builds a general theory rather than testing a specific solution. Let's see how that fits the bigger picture. In this video, you will define basic and applied research, compare their goals and methods, see classroom and marketing examples, and learn how results feed back in both directions. First, the core idea. Basic research aims to build general understanding and theory, while applied research aims to solve a specific practical problem or test an intervention in the real world. And crucially, they work together. Basic research generates theories, applied research tests solutions, and results feed back to refine the original theory, completing the cycle. For example, imagine you observe how students study across different spaces. More distractions at home, fewer cues to focus in the library. Keep that picture in mind. From those observations, you form a general claim. Fewer distractions and clear task cues improve studying. That's a basic research outcome because it explains a broad pattern. Now, put the claim to the test. Assign students to different environments, measure time on task and quiz scores, and compare which space leads to better performance. That's applied research in action. Checkpoint. You've got the definitions, you've seen the cycle, and you've compared a classroom example from explanation to test. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. Jumping back in, let's switch domains and apply the same logic. Marketing. An applied study compares ad versions to see which one lifts purchase intent. Suppose the data show that pairing a product with a positive cue boosts ratings. That's an applied result tied to a concrete outcome. Zooming out, those results can inspire a general principle about associative learning, how cues shape preferences, which then guides new basic studies. That's the feedback loop, and it sets up a common pitfall to avoid. Tip: do not rank one as better. Both can be rigorous, and the order is not fixed. Sometimes applied results come first, and theory follows. To make the differences clear, we can set them side by side. Basic research explains and builds theory, while applied research evaluates a solution and reports effects on a specific outcome. Different goals, complementary outputs that work best together. Some projects overlap too. They aim to discover general rules of learning while also helping classroom practice. This kind of work is called use-inspired basic research. For example, cognitive science for education. Across both types, quality matters, careful sampling, clear variables, appropriate comparison groups, valid measures, ethics review, and when possible, pre-registration. These raise confidence in any study. To recap, basic research explains general patterns and builds theory. Applied research tests solutions for specific outcomes. They inform each other through a feedback loop. Explanations guide interventions, and field results refine theory. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.